Meher, a fearless young guardian from the village of Zafar, awoke as the crimson sun crept across the sky. Rumors spread swiftly overnight. A fire dragon had appeared, scorching the forest edges and threatening her home. While others hid in terror, Meher slipped on her boots and sprinted toward adventure. In the frozen caves beyond Zafar, Prince Aaron, known to many as the Ice Prince, received Meher's urgent message carried by a snow falcon. Aaron was aloof but curious, his heart bound by a secret duty to tame the wild elements. Uniting at the border of fire and ice, the two exchanged uneasy greetings, their personalities starkly different. Meher, bold and lively; Aaron, stoic and cautious. As dusk painted the sky, they trekked through scorched earth and icy trails, their journey full of friction and unlikely cooperation. Suspense brewed as a shadow darted above. A gigantic fire dragon swooped down, its scales glinting like molten metal. Meher grabbed her makeshift shield while Aaron channeled bitter winds from his palms, setting up a protective mist. The dragon roared, unleashing a flaming torrent. Meher leapt forward, distracting it with shouts and flying stones. Aaron, seizing the moment, conjured a hailstorm that encased the dragon's wings, grounding it with a crash. But as they approached, the ice crumbled unexpectedly. The dragon wasn't cruel, but wounded. Meher's compassion urged her to approach and offer help, despite the threat. Aaron hesitated, but eventually joined her. Together, they treated the dragon's injury. In thanks, the fire dragon revealed a hidden passage leading to the heart of the mountains, a shortcut to safety and, perhaps, the solution for peace.